Here's a list of skills that you might want to build regardless of where you are. No? Una, strategic thinking skills. What does it cover? Problem solving, planning, priority setting, risk management. No? So bakit importante sa mga kumpanya to regardless of the company? Strategic thinking drives organizational direction. It improves resource utilization and prevents costly mistakes. That's why it's important. Yung strategic thinking, ano siya ha? Hindi siya idea lang. Meron siyang 5 domains because I also conduct this training. Ano yung 5 domain na yun? Systems perspective, thinking in time, intelligent opportunism, goal orientation, and hypothesis driven. No? So ano siya? Isang buong skill set siya. So anong success indicator na meron ka nitong strategic thinking skill na to? You're able to create plans that are aligned with business priorities. Oh. So is that a strength? Because this is something that you need to learn. Okay? Next is people leadership and team development. Bakit importante ito? What does it cover? Coaching, performance management, motivation, conflict resolution, psychological safety. Some of this we already covered in our previous programs. No? What it does is it improves engagement, retention, and productivity. So anong success indicator na meron ka nitong skill na to? It gives clear expectations and regular feedback. Pangatlo, communication and stakeholder management. Actually, pag may skill ka nito, this particular skill, you'll be a very valuable member of the group kahit weakness mo pa yung iba. Okay? What it covers, clarity, communication clarity, ability to influence, listening skill, managing the boss, managing up, cross-functional coordination. Madali kang katrabaho. So why the companies value it? Reduce errors, rework and misalignment, and speeds up decision making. So meron ka ba niyan? No? So anong success indicator? Gusto ng mga tao ikaw yung nagli-lead ng meeting. Communicates clearly in meetings, updates, and reports. No? Yung pang-apat is execution and accountability. Anong coverage? KPI delivery. Okay? Sobrang importante nito kasi pag nag-i-interview ako ng manager, ang lagi kong tinatanong, what are your key achievements from your previous employment? Yan yung paborito kong tanong. Alam ko pag walang achievement yung tao, alam niyo kung bakit? Ang dinidescribe yung JD, yung job description. Alam mo pag tinanong ko, Lenny, ano ang achievement mo from your previous employment? Sasabihin niyo, ito po yung ginagawa ko sa previous employment ko, gumagawa ako ng plano, nag-i-schedule ako. Kasi pag sinabing achievement, ang pinag-uusapan is I'm able to consistently exceed my department's target. No? I'm able to reduce operating cost from this much to this much. Ako, gusto ng mga kumpanya yan. I was able to solve a recurring or persistent problem. So KPI delivery, workflow management, problem solving, process discipline. Okay? Why companies value it? Because it ensures commitments are met and operations run smoothly. So anong indicator nito? Being able to consistently meet targets and deadlines. Okay? Medyo mahirap siya, no? Ang daming managers, weakness ito. Yung pang-apat is the reason why we're here. Adaptability and change leadership. Flexibility, resilience, innovation, managing resistance, leading transition. So this is critical for digital transformation, restructuring, and evolving market demands. So anong success indicator? Our ability to maintain calmness and effectiveness during uncertainty. So these are just examples, no? Marami pang ibang skills na pwede nating pagtuunan ng pansin.